Hello! Today I'll show you how to work with the home page. But first, let's add your app. First, you need to choose a country. Right now we have 32 available countries and we're apt to expand in the list in the near future. Let's choose US. Once you've chosen the country, you simply need to enter your app link or enter your app name. As you can see here, you can add multiple apps at once. Alright, let's start with the home page. All apps you add will be listed here. You can change the list view by pressing here. You can also sort apps by store. You can also create custom groups called workspaces. To create a new workspace, click plus. Workspaces are a convenient way to group apps. For example, you can sort apps by your competitors. We wanted to add customization options and at the same time make it possible for you to find the right apps with just one click. Besides, you can use the search bar anytime to search for a specific app. You can also add a certain app to any workspace you have by clicking here. As you can see, there's also an option for deleting the app. You can start working on optimization in two ways that are independent of each other. The first way is the ISO index section, which provides an overall assessment of the app optimization in the store. And the second way is analysis, which includes working with keywords and more. Also, remember that you can always use a navigation bar on the left to quickly switch between sections.